Body into pieces or into puzzle. Sorry sila mo. So kinailan nilang help ka, they need our help para ma-form sila puzzle. So gina-request naman isa ka parents sa isa ka group para mag-assist sa atin yung mga kids. Okay, so I need at least 4 ka parents, mama or tita or tito na mag-assist sa ating kids. Okay, we have Humbert Lord, Birdie, Greenies, and Ronald McDonald. Get ready na for the game puzzle.
Kami ato na.
Okay. So mama, isa ka mama, please, or lola, manda, ma-assistant sa mga kita para mag-work ng puzzle. Okay, ma'am, thank you. Hindi na yung kid mo, ma'am. Okay. Another mama, here. Puzzle. Sino ka ba na mag-puzzle? Raise your hands. Okay. So, we need at least one pa dito mama. Ma-assist ko sino din may kid sa tunga. Tapos si mama mo lang pakatwa sa tunga. Ay, ata si mama yun lang mo.
Hindi ko pabuyog, Gadi.
Transfer niya lang para isa na lang. Okay, isa pa ka mama here. Lola, sino da? Tito, tita. Isa si mama lang. Go.
Shaky. Nanginginig yung kamay.
Ready na? Ano ka lang niya, mama? Sino pa? Isa pa ka, mama. Kalo isa mga kids, hindi wala ni ma-assist. Ma-form na ka sa puzzle.
Elsa.
So, kids, ni Ronald McDonald, ni Greenies, ni Birdie, kung ni Humbert Lord, ang aton niya help. Sino ang first na maka-form ng puzzle, we will give a prize. Okay, may prize for McDonald. Okay, ready? Kids, are you ready? Ready na ka mo, kids?
Ayan mo, si Tito.
Okay, so kung ma-form na siya, square na siya. Masinggit lang ang team Merry Christmas, okay? Mama, ma-shout na ta Merry Christmas. Ako na-form niya na ang puzzle.
Ayan mo na lang.
Okay, help si Mama. Ready? Game puzzle in 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, form nyo. Yes, go.
They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. 'Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like it's wrong.
Pagod.
Form ng body number door. Very good. Okay, si Pakakit, sila kabila ba kids? Check. Yay! Merry Christmas! Green race! 1. Ay, kulang si Birdie. God! Okay, so dapat na si Ronald. Wow, very good kid. Okay, si Birdie lang nagsilikot mo lang ang parts ng body. Okay, so we'll give a prize na lang. Sino ang first na naka-form? Okay, si Humbert Lord. Kaya na lang sila prize na lang. Okay, you receive a painting. Yes, nice, mom.